Alright, we're going to thread the Kenmore model 158, 121, 180. Here we go. We put the spool on the top and then we find the hook there. You're going to go under it, and then there's another hook right in front. You're going to come at it from the right side. And then we get down to the tension discs, and there's two distinct discs that the thread has to go in between. And then it comes back up and into that little hook, and then the take-up lever. And that has to be all the way at the top. There's a little hole. You put the thread through the hole from right to left, and then we're going to go back through the two little hooks right there. So I went back and got that big one. Just adds a little bit more guidance for the thread, and then there's a little thread guide right above where the needle is. There's one on the left and the right. I just went through the left side. You kind of floss it from the left side. Then make sure your needle is all the way in the upright position, and put the end of the thread through the needle front to back. Pull it, and I kind of held it there to make sure it didn't get tangled, and then I put it under the presser foot. And then to thread the bobbin, just open up the bobbin case, pull that little bobbin case out. It looks like a little apple with a stem on the top. Pull the bobbin out. The bobbin thread should be coming off the bobbin on the right side, like I'm showing you there. And then you find that first little groove, pull it until it ultimately works its way to that bigger hole. And then you should be able to pull the thread freely from that bobbin case. Put it back in there. It'll snap and make a nice satisfying noise. The stem will be up. Turn that hand wheel towards you to bring the needle down, and it's going to grab the thread. See that green thread just popped out, and you gently pull that to get the bobbin thread coming up from under where the needle is, not from the little case.